Hello and welcome everybody. Today we're going to be checking out the Samsung J3 Luna Pro, and I personally like to use this phone myself. But what I got right here, this is the refurbished version. I picked this up from Straight Talk. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. So we got our phone. And typically I like to pick up refurbished. I don't like picking up like used ones from eBay personally, but I know you can get some deals, like bulk deals and stuff. But just me personally, I like to pick them up from Straight Talk, Track Phone. So here's our charging cable, all packaged up. And then we got our wall plug that I just pulled out, and then here's our battery. Go ahead and pop that in and throw the back on. Really like the color of this phone. It's got that clean gray. It's like a matte finish. Alright, got it all put together here. You do get a quick start guide and then some information if you get it from Straight Talk about their plans and stuff. For the purposes of what I'm going to use this phone for, I usually pick these up no contract. I don't like having tons of contracts on phones I'm not even going to use. All I use it for is Wi-Fi, and I run smartphone paying applications on them. If you guys want to check out, I got a playlist for the applications that I use, and I'll link that in the video. And this is primarily the phone I use when I'm doing like a Straight Talk application review, so you could see it. You can also see it in the side. We have one that's already started up, but yeah, just turned it on. You can take a look at the screen size. Let's measure from the 10. So we got about 5-inch screen, not bad, pretty decent size. But let's go ahead. I don't want to set all that stuff up. Let's go right to the phone itself. I'd like to point out a couple things. So let's take a look at our settings. Check out the Android version. So we got 6.0 on here, which is really cool, especially if you're going to do any kind of phone farming or anything like that. I would suggest getting something 5 or above, and this definitely fits that. And on the home screen, I've actually put down, I really like this. They have a widget that you can use to clean out your storage. Now your storage is going to be a little bit higher than a typical like $10 phone. This one comes with 16 gigs, which is really great for running like Cache Magnet or like any of the app-like applications, because you're going to want the higher storage for downloading games and stuff like that. RAM, really good. Got 1.5 gigs of RAM. And what's cool about this widget is I don't have to go and open my settings and go to clean out my cache. I could just do it right here from the home screen. Hit optimize. It's going to do its thing, and then we're good to go. Pretty simple. Here we go. Now we also, I guess we could take a look at the camera. I'm never going to use it, but let's take a look. Let's see what this pen looks like. Looks pretty decent. Not the most horrible camera in the world. It's pretty decent actually. And again, I picked this phone up for, I think it was like 25 bucks refurbished. You'll see they sell a lot higher for the new ones. But another thing that I really want to point out is this phone also connects your standard 2.4 gigahertz, and it also connects 5 gigahertz. So if you have a dual band or tri-band router like I do, it comes really helpful, because if I had all dual band phones, I could connect them at different channels and there'd be minimal interference on my Wi-Fi, because a 5 gig and a 2.4, they have different wavelengths, so they don't interfere with each other as much, which is kind of cool. But that's pretty much it for this phone. I really wanted to show this phone off. It's in the higher price range, but for what it's worth, the higher amounts of data, the fast speed, and the dual band, I think it's a pretty great phone. I would highly suggest picking it up if you're looking at a little bit more quality phone. So I will see you guys in the next video, and have a good one.